Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and this video is going to be about my semester's last assignment. अच्छा, तो इस सेमेस्टर मेरे 3 कोर्सेज थे। डिज़ाइन हिस्ट्री, डिज़ाइन टेक्नोलॉजी और डिज़ाइन एंड प्रेजेंटेशन। और डिज़ाइन एंड प्रेजेंटेशन वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 सब कोर्सेज क्योंकि वो 9 क्रेडिट आवर्स का कोर्स था। सो बेसिकली मेरे पास 5 कोर्सेज थे और उन सब कोर्सेज के टर्मिनल ख़त्म होने थे 6 जनवरी 2021। एटलीस्ट हमें लगा कि उसी दिन ख़त्म होने हैं, लेकिन 11 जनवरी 2021 we got another assignment. And this video is about that assignment.
And I start to clap, 'cause I'm feeling good. My room is empty, all it has is a guitar and a snare drum. I bang on it. Is this life? I guess it's fine. Oh, what? I got little penguins on my socks, right? I got little ducks on my boxes. I'm essentially a man child. I don't think I'll ever change. Whenever I go to your house, man, it looks like a museum. Makes me feel nauseous. Makes me feel and I start to clap, 'cause I'm feeling good. It's hard to carry my house. Yeah, I'm feeling yeah, I start to clap, 'cause I'm feeling good. It's hard to carry my house. I'm feeling yeah, I start to and I do something to waste your time. You do something to waste mine. I write little poems about my sorrows. I write pretty songs for my one love. I try to cater to my brainstem. But I'm a hopeless romantic. And I start to cry, 'cause I'm feeling good. It's hard to carry my house. Yeah, I'm feeling good. Yeah, I start to cry, 'cause I'm feeling good. It's hard to carry my house. I'm feeling yeah, I start to cry, 'cause I'm feeling good. It's hard to carry my house. I'm feeling I start to cry. Yeah, I start to clap.